show you how to get a stock into Excel arc. This one is actually pretty easy if you're already into Excel, but let's try to get a hang of it. To start off, I want you to open an Excel arc as I've done here. When you have the worksheet open, you can just go to a random place at your workbook or worksheet, and then we can actually begin. We can try to place a stock into this workbook as I've done with Tesla, and also put Apple or Microsoft. And you might be wondering, why am I writing these three? But it's actually for a reason, because these three are actually the ticker code for a stock. In another way, I could also have wrote Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft. And as we all should know, they're all traded at the exchange. So the thing we can do now is we can actually highlight all these. This can be done by just holding down your mouse button, or you can also press Shift, Command, or Control and key button down 2 times as such. And then we can actually go to the thing that calls for data. And then you can see we have a lot of different options here. The thing we want to is actually use this one called stocks. So if we have highlighted things over here and press stocks, let's try to see what happens. Perfect. Now we can see that all of our ticker codes and full names actually changed. But what does this mean? It actually means that our Excel worksheet actually translated it to the stocks. So now we are actually um, allowed to gain all of these different uh, numbers from the exchange and the stock, as we can have their market cap as such. So you can see, wow, Apple and Microsoft is actually worth a lot. We can also do the same here, but as you might have guessed, these two are the same. So this was actually just a quick rounding of how to obtain a stock in Excel and get some info on it. Just a quick reminder that if you can't find your stock here, you might have done like this. If you wrote Tesla like this and you press, it will return with a question mark because it can't help us find this. So what you're just gonna do is you can press on the question mark, go here, and then try to write it one more time, and then you can see Excel is searching, searching, and then it finally came up. Huh. Tesla. So we will just pick the one from the American Nasdaq stock index. So let's just select this one, and then you can see we have the same options as before, and we'll get the same. So this was just a quick introduction to how this works.